everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Darnell, and today I'm going to work on this 10 by 20 gallery wrapped canvas, and I'm going to do a blowout from the bottom up. I'm going to use blues. I did a purple one not too long ago, and then I added a vinyl stain on it. Oh my goodness, guys, it was just gorgeous. So I've been doing that and gotten quite a few sales from that process. So I'm going to try another one. This one I'm going to do in blue. So first off, I start off with my light background color, and I don't use white. I'm using a very lightened version of the colors that I'm using. So this is baby blue, and I did add some iridescent medium to it, and this is primary blue mixed with Artist Loft. Okay, I'm gonna get this down and we'll get started. Okay, I'm gonna just start layering my colors now. Next one is Denim Blue Metallic. Next is Decor Ice Blue Metallic. Okay, next is Artist Loft Phthalo Blue, and it says it's lightened, so I must have added a little white to it. I'm going to do one line of that. Okay, then this here is Folk Art, and then this mixed with this, so I've lightened it. Okay, next up is Cerulean Blue, the little white added. We're just going to run just a little line of that. This is almost the same color as that, but a little shade different. This here is Light Blue Permanent. A little white added to this too. Alright, do a little bit of my background color here to fill this in. Being mindful of my sides. It's a lot better to make sure it's taken care of now than having to deal with it later. Ooh, that's a little better. See the colors a little better that way. This is my cell activator. I'm going to run a line right here, and then we're going to blow dry it up. It's not very much in here. Just getting the rest of it out. All right. Wow, that's beautiful. Okay, that is going to start developing.